Set it down. I am gonna see if I could start this chainsaw back up again. I got it going a minute ago, and now it won't come on. I don't know if something's going on with it or what. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. Woo! My bad. There you have it. It took me a couple tries, but you know, I didn't want to do it with this song with the blade, because as soon as the blade hits the ground when it's spinning, some shit will start happening. But yeah, that's how you turn the blades on. Cut this off. I mean, because a minute ago it was on and I did. It wouldn't. I mean, it did the first time, then it didn't do it. So I thought I'd make a video and prove it out. That's it right there. That's a mean chainsaw. I've only had it for a couple days. I got it from a friend of mine.